elevate the value of spaces with fitted kitchen designs. Homeowners are increasingly growing aware and conscious of look and feel of their structure. They now want only the latest in style and design to grace their abode and win them praise from neighbors and relatives alike. To them, every corner and space in the home holds value and deserves a touch of elegance and beauty. Their approach is no different to kitchen, and they consider it more than just a place for preparing and serving foods. In fact, designing kitchen interiors is perhaps the latest fad among homeowners who are ready to splash money to transform their important spaces. Further, fitted kitchens are the latest trends, and they are also a piece of innovation, lacing technology and art together. Great design ideas are crafted to perfection so that the kitchen and home can get a modern and sleek look with ease. These designs bring a complete visual transformation to the spaces and ensure beauty and charm in big dosages. In this, customized solutions are prepared based on the requirements and space layouts of the place. With fitted kitchen, every inch of the space in the kitchen is leveraged in an optimum manner so that nothing looks out of sort and out of sync there.